We are in a race to continue our ascent toward global preeminence. And in that race, our job is not to follow the leader. Our job is to set the pace.
We are finally at the point of getting started on replacing our student system.
I have run this race before. I know that down there is something that's worth having, and this campus is ready to go after.
With the new system, that makes it all possible.
Since 2008, we've been looking at all of our different options to see what's out there, what could be our next student information system, and have concluded that Ellucian's banner product is the right choice for UCI going forward.
All the units working on this project, billing, records, admissions, the advising units, they all know where they're headed.
And that's what student information systems is about. It's about everybody being part of the team. It's about each person understanding that each person's role is absolutely critical.
We have people from each of the functional units working on the project. We have several information technology staff members. Also knowing that Dana Rude and his team are partnering right alongside with us is very reassuring. Together as a team, this group will help us cross that finish line on time and make sure that our go live first year will be a very successful one.
All of us already have a strong sense of the university's mission, particularly as it relates to teaching and instructional support. What we're doing now is building the tools that will best help us in our shared purpose of supporting the community.
We have enjoyed homegrown systems for 40 years but they've also become increasingly difficult to maintain. They have become less capable of allowing integrated data that the campus really needs.
Well, I've been advising since the late 90s, and I've watched the student population grow and our need for information to be more accessible.
One principle, if we keep it in mind, will make us very successful, and that is to keep things simple and as close to out of the box as possible.
For the staff, it'll make things easier with the new system because they're using only one system to be able to find all the information that they need on a student. For our students, when they want to register into a course, if they want to know a description of it, all they'll need to do is hover over the course title. They won't need to open up another application such as the course catalog.
The biggest benefit we're going to receive from this system is access to data.
The very best benefits of this new system will be the integration of data and the reliability of the product in the long term.
The benefit that I see is efficiency.
I liken it to selecting a Camry for the long ride ahead. Dependable, something you can count on.
This is where we best answer questions, and this is where we learn to ask new ones. This is where we change our landscape.
What we are trying to do is achieve a standard of excellence and achieve and sustain that excellence over long periods of time. That's what new SIS systems will allow us to do.